Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hippocrates, the pioneer of modern medicine. In the annals of history, Hippocrates stands as a legendary figure whose legacy has transcended centuries. Born around 460 years before the birth of Christ on the inhabiting island of Kos in Greece, Hippocrates' life remains shrouded in mystery. Some even questions his existence, attributing the 70 books on medical science bearing his name on a collective of writers. Yet we find traces of him in the accounts of renowned figures like Plato and Thales. In the 6th century BC, the foundations of medical knowledge were laid on the island of Kos, possibly evolving into the school of Hippocrates. This institution taught the principles of medicine. Emphasized the crucial doctor-patient relationship, a far cry from the earlier days when the domain of diagnosis and healing lay solely in the hands of the priests of Asclepius. The Greco-Roman god of healing was believed to possess the power of resurrect the dead in a time when illness was attributed to the breath of the gods. The afflicted would journey, if able, to the temple of Asclepius, seeking blessings from the priests. Interestingly, many returned home cured, largely due to the body's inherent healing abilities. Occasionally, temple priests offered ointments and potions, though thus interventions often held little connection to the patient's recovery. Hippocrates, by challenging the prevailing of notion that the gods alone could heal, earned skepticism from those who clung to their beliefs. Nevertheless, he tactfully incorporated elements of faith into his practice. His initial oath began with I am the physician Apollo Asclepius. Yet Hippocrates' true allegiance rests with empirical evidence and rigorous testing. His teachings continue to shape modern medicine, evident in the solemn Hippocratic oath taken by medical students worldwide. I take on I take an oath to observe this vow according to my intelligence and discretion. I will treat only for the service of the sick, never with the aim of harming anyone. No matter how much I am forced, I will not give poison to anyone. I will never reveal what I see or hear in the course of my profession if it is not worthy of disclosure. The Hippocratic oath has endured through time, symbolizing the unwavering commitment of physicians to their patients' well being. Hippocrates' fame extended beyond Greece, reaching even the Persian emperor, who offered him immense wealth of combat and devastating epidemic. Hippocrates, though declined, citing honor and allegiance to his homeland. This episode has been immortalized in a famous painting at the Medical School of Paris. Hippocrates' medical teachings, chronicled in numerous texts, experienced a renaissance during the Middle Age. However, the blind acceptance of his works hindered progress for centuries. Galen, a medical figure of the 2nd century, contested many Hippocrates' theories, yet Hippocrates remained an unaccessible icon. Hippocrates' emphasis on anatomy as the cornerstone of medicine eventually resurfaced in the 15th century with Vesalius. This revival was particularly crucial as, in the interim, barber surgeons handled anatomical matters, a testament to the intricate history of medical practice. King Henry VIII of England even passed a law separating the roles of barbers and surgeons, restricting barbers to tasks like blood testing and tooth extracting. The iconic barber pole, featuring white and red strips, bears witness of this historical division. Hippocrates' revolutionary belief in searching for the cause of diseases in the environment rather than attributing them to divine anger remains relevant today. His meticulous patient examination methods, including observing eye and skin color, body temperature, hunger, and bodily functions, laid the foundation for modern diagnosis. Hippocrates also dabbled as